What's up, y'all? BriannaMagic back.
She said, all of my bitches got friends. Yeah.
And I got my girl Whitney in the bag. That's what the mannequin head says. That's not what I named her. The mannequin head literally says Whitney. Say what's up, Whitney.
Hey, bitch.
So today I have a makeup look for you all. It's basically like a first impression slash unboxing slash I don't know, but I got it in it's here. So I ordered something from Juvia's Place on Black Friday, and it came kind of fast. I'm not gonna lie, it came really fast. So Juvia's Place workers must have been working like overtime. I ordered it when I ordered it Saturday. No, I ordered it Friday, and it came today, Wednesday. As you know, I love Juvia's Place. Hold on, let me focus. As you know, I love Juvia's Place. I have 4 of the company's palettes already. I have the Zulu, the Sahara 2, the Nubian 2, and the Magic palettes. So, and I'm gonna get more. I want more, and I'm gonna get more. And I don't care who says something, because my mama keeps saying you got too many eyeshadow palettes. I actually don't have enough, mama. So, like, okay, girl. I got the Afrique palette. I don't know how to say it, okay? I'm sorry. But I got this palette, and it looks like this. It's beautiful. Like, the artwork is beautiful. I love bright orange. That's what it looks like. Tells you all the stuff on the back about it. I'm not gonna read this, but you know, it comes with it in bubble wrap, safely secured. Oh, it got on the back of the palette too, cause usually it don't have it on the back of the palette. That's kind of cool that they, you know, starting to put that on the palettes. I don't know. This is the first palette that I got that was like new. Warrior 2 palette. I wanted that one, but I wanted Warrior 2 palette, but you know, it kept getting sold out. Then when they sell out, and I had already bought this, they decided to restock it. Okay. I don't know what was up with Juvia's Place, but I felt like they was playing with it. Because every time they was selling that stuff, they're like, okay, it's restocked. Really? Really? Okay. But I'm gonna end up getting that one too. Probably, I don't know. I'll buy it for myself for Christmas. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Instead of like the lady on here being up in here like the regular palettes be, you see? Oh well, this one got print. It has print, see, like that one. It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. I have not swatched them. I have seen them, but I have not swatched them. I have not touched this palette yet. I'm not going to be saying the names because I don't want to fuck up. I really don't. Because that's why when I do a makeup tutorial and I say Juvia's Place, and I try to say Juvia's Place names, I try not to say them because I don't want to fuck up. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna get to the makeup look using the Afrique palette. And I know I'm saying it wrong, but I'm sorry. With them damn tall ass lights with the ring. You got me a ring light? this is the outlook that I came up with. It's yellow, green, and blue with a champagne color cut crease, half cut crease. And I use these colors. I used this yellow. Hold on, let me focus. I used this yellow. I used this green. I used this blue, and I used this champagne color. And I really like this palette so far. I would give it like an 8 out of 10, only because I like big pan eyeshadows. And also the yellow was kind of hard to work with a little bit, but once you get the technique of how to use the yellow, then it's okay. And I really like all the colors. I really do. I feel like I can use this palette a lot because I really like bright colors, and I really like Juvia's Place. But I give it like an 8 out of 10 because there's other Juvia's Place palettes online that you can, I'm sorry, I'm chewing gum. There's other Juvia's Place palettes online that are much brighter, and you know, that you can choose from. So, and I already got it dirty right here. So, there's that. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more looks, more videos, and I hope that I made your day. I'm just playing. But I hope that you guys subscribe. I hope that you guys subscribe for real. Like for real. Anyway, I will be posting pictures of this on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram at BriannaMagic. And I also will be doing another one of these videos soon when my other palette come in. So okay, anyway, see y'all next video, and yeah, I love y'all, and